In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image to card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, well-formatted image on your site and set it up the right way. Start by heading to card and opening the site you want to edit. This takes you into the builder where you can see your page layout. At the top, look for the plus icon. This is how you add new elements to your page. Give it a click, and from the menu that appears, choose Image. That tells Card you want to insert an image block onto the canvas. Next, click Upload. Pick a web-friendly file from your device. JPG or PNG usually works best, and select it. After it loads, you'll see the crop tool. Use the handles to frame the subject the way you want. Keep key details centered and aim for the aspect ratio that best fits your layout. If you're using a portrait image in a wide section, consider cropping tighter so it doesn't feel too small. When it looks right, click Accept to confirm. You'll now see fields for extra details. Title is optional. It's helpful for labeling the element and in some cases can be used as a tooltip. Keep it short and clear. Alternate text is also optional but strongly recommended. Write a brief, accurate description of what's in the image so screen readers can convey it to visitors who rely on them. This also helps if the image can't load. If you want the image to be clickable, add a link URL. Paste the link to another page, section, or external site. This is great for buttons, portfolios, or product shots. Open the options to fine-tune how the image looks and behaves. Adjust size to fit your layout, align it left, center, or right, and add spacing so it doesn't crowd surrounding elements. Aim for consistency with other images on the page for a polished feel. When everything looks good, click Done. Your image is now placed on the canvas, ready to go. You can always revisit the element to tweak settings later.